This is a classic scone recipe with jam and cream. Or is it cream and jam? And out of interest, do you say scone or scone? I seem to say both. Anyway, on to the recipe. You will need self-raising flour, baking powder and salt, some butter, caster sugar, and some milk. Start by sieving the flour into a bowl, followed by the baking powder and salt. Then add the butter and rub it in with your fingertips until you have a breadcrumb-like consistency. Then next you'll be adding the sugar, followed by the milk. Now you can use a spoon to stir the mixture together until a dough begins to form. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe down below, and if you're enjoying my videos, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit the like button. It really helps small channels like mine. Flatten the dough out until it's about 2 centimetres thick, and then use a 5 centimetre round cookie cutter to cut out the scones. You should get between 6 and 8 scones out of the mixture. Transfer them all to a baking tray. Glazing them is optional, but if you brush a little beaten egg or some milk over the top of each one, it will help them to get a golden brown finish and a slightly crispier crust. Transfer to an oven that has been preheated to 200 degrees Celsius, that's for a fan oven, and bake for around 10 minutes until they are lightly browned and have risen. Then transfer to a wire rack to cool before cutting them and adding in some jam and cream. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe. Do check out Liana's Kitchen for more baking recipes, and I'll see you next time.